We have GE Gas Cooktop, JPG 945 Sec 1 SS, and it won't unlock even when you turn the button to unlock, light stays on and alarm goes when you turn on gas.
Hello, I am here to assist you. Did this just happen after a cleaning? If so, how long ago was it cleaned?
It did. I did not use a lot of water, but I cleaned it only an hour ago. Do you think there is a chance that it will go off in a couple of hours when it dries up, assuming that it might have gotten a bit of water in it?
Okay, good, and you are on the right idea. Electronic ovens have a built-in feature that when it is done cleaning it has a cooling mode. It will not unlock until it cools down enough. This is a safety feature so someone doesn't come in right after cleaning and open the oven and burn themselves. It is usually about 1 to 2 hours depending on how long you ran the cleaning cycle. Don't do anything else and let the oven run its course. Hope this explains it well and I am here for further assistance. Thank you, Randy.
Actually, this is not an oven but a gas cooktop, as I said in the initial question. So we are not talking about self-cleaning an oven, but rather wiping off, with water, the knobs of a gas range. In addition to regular knobs, it has a little knob that can be locked or unlocked. When it is locked, the light will be on, and then when you turn on the gas stop, a loud alarm will sound. The knob is turned to unlock, but light is still on, and if you open the gas, that does work, the alarm sounds.
Oh, I am sorry, I misunderstood you. Sounds like you may have gotten some components underneath wet. Let's try one thing first. Go to your circuit breaker panel and turn off the power for the cooktop for 3 minutes and then turn the breaker back on. Let's see if all it needs is to be reset.
Unfortunately, this didn't work.
I am sorry about the delay. Your model number is coming up, so could you please re-verify the number and I can pull up a diagram.
Well, half a day passed, the stove must have dried out and the light went off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.